Everybody, and welcome back to a fixed tweet. My name is Akash, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Dogecoin, the original meme coin, and discuss what's happening with it, not just from a low time frame, but also a higher time frame perspective. Right. So before we get into this, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated with the hottest trends in the crypto market, make sure to also click on this bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoyed the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeko with 0 at the end. Click this link here in my bio or this one here. It will take you to my Telegram channel where I post my thoughts on why I'm taking a particular trade, thoughts on the market, and thoughts on why I'm trading a certain coin. Basically, it's a journal for me so that you can follow along as well. So feel free to join the group. Let's get into Shiba Inu, right? Let's get to, Dogecoin. I was extremely bullish in Dogecoin, I think somewhere here in the 19th of June, because it printed a buy signal on a weekly time frame that hadn't been printed for a very long time. Let me just show that. Yep, as you can see here, this buy signal was pretty important, and it kind of made me realize that I should long Doge for quite some time. I did. I kind of closed it somewhere around here, but I didn't do it on the 20th of June. Basically did it in the third week of June. Not sure. I basically closed it between these two candles here, anywhere between these two candles. And yeah, so that's this buy signal, right? Every time on a weekly time frame, MRI or the 3D sequential indicator flashed a buy signal or a sell signal, it has been followed through perfectly, right? And this is the first time where I feel like the buy signal, it might be happening like what happened here. For example, there was a buy signal from on a weekly time frame, and there was a red candle or a down candle, and then the price continued rallying higher, right? But for Doge, I think we could see something similar. We had after the buy signal, we had a green candle, and then we are having now a red candle, and hopefully this week closes bullish for Doge, but I'm not going to hold my breath. Right, I was bullish then, but I am kind of optimistic, cautiously optimistic right now. So let's take a look at what's happening in the 4-hour time frame. Right, there is a daily demand zone here extending from 0.049 to 0.057. And the range extending from 0.049 to 0.0786787. So this range was set when Doge rallied, let me guess, 100%? No, 60%. Okay, I'm pretty sure that was Matic, which rallied 100%. Yeah, so Doge rallied 60%, set a range, retraced down to the 50 retracement level here, or the midpoint of this particular range at 0.063. Since then, the price has managed to consolidate between, basically formed another range between 0.071 and 0.062, and the price seems to be retracing down, hopefully to sweep the range low at 0.062, which also kind of coincides with two other levels, which is the midpoint of this larger range and the low time frame support level that was formed here at 0.062. Right, so this seems like a pretty strong level, but if Dogecoin does come down to this demand zone here at 0.057, I would definitely long this coin, considering the circumstances with Bitcoin are interesting as well, right? So that's what I'm expecting right now, right? But things are not so good with Bitcoin, so I'm expecting Bitcoin price to retrace, which is why I'm expecting Dogecoin also to do something like this. But if it does that, this is where I'm going to be longing Dogecoin. For now, this is, you're looking at a 16 to 17% upswing for Doge in the upcoming days or perhaps weeks. So yeah, the downside for Doge is capped at 0.057, but if we get daily candlestick close below 0.0491, that would be a very bad outlook for Doge, because if a sweep of that level would be interesting, it wouldn't be bearish, but a daily candlestick close below that would be bearish, in which case you can expect Dogecoin price to retrace down to 0.047, which is the next support level. So yeah, that is pretty much it from a lower time frame bearish outlook. But for a bullish outlook, if Dogecoin manages to produce a daily candlestick close above 0.082, there's a good chance price could climb higher, perhaps somewhere around 96 or perhaps 0.1, because that would bring Dogecoin to retest this declining trend line here again, which has been ongoing since the 3rd of May. And even Elon Musk's tweets, I think this was where Elon Musk tweeted, even those tweets weren't enough to, pull Dogecoin out of this declining trend. So yeah, that is pretty much it for Dogecoin. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.